Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing one of the character names from the famous TV series, Game of Thrones. This character was played by actress Lena Headey. Well, how do we say this name correctly? We may pronounce it as Cersei Lannister, Cersei Lannister, Cersei Lannister, Cersei Lannister. Cersei Lannister is one of the most complex and intriguing characters in Game of Thrones. Cersei's character is marked by her intense love for her children, her rivalry with other powerful figures, and her unrelenting quest for power, which ultimately leads to her dramatic downfall. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Cersei Lannister, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.